Here's how to enable cell usage statistics on the iPhone. So this is like all the accrual of your cell data usage and also calls, etc. That's in settings, and then it's going to be inside of cellular. Then we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of cellular. And you're going to see a couple options here where you can enable cell usage statistics. So we can toggle that on, and we can also reset our statistics down there as well. And it might move a few items, and so it's going to bump this menu down a little bit, but this is that toggle right here. So if it's green, it's on, you've enabled cell usage statistics. As you make calls, as you use your data, those stats will accrue here. You'll see the current period is 0 because I reset it by turning it off. Well, now I've enabled it, so I make some calls. This is going to accrue here, and also the current period of cell data, etc., will as well up here. And so that's how you can enable cellular usage statistics on the iPhone.